promise. See worlds from weed and chronic, urban, turban, fatigue for garments. Versions, Old and New Testaments, dead presidents, underworld coke measurements with whole evidence from forensic teams. Lab test access, gas press within his jeans. Slits and screens behind a black desk. Mardi Gras mask of death. Hardy R and laugh, couldn't catch his breath. The mind that manipulated the world. The nine and nickel plated with hurl bullets. Ricocheted through his girl, the great harlot, and used money in the men and souls for scarlet. Same bitch that put my head on target. 2 SKs under my armpit. From the pyramid projects, ganja gates and prophets, street parables, search for the Pharaoh's tomb.
Life as a grown ass man, dog. Shouldn't be so rough. Life as a grown ass man, dog. Shouldn't be so rough. Life as a grown ass man, dog. Shouldn't be so rough. Life as a grown ass man, dog. Shouldn't be so rough.
Gallop with speed, the stress I breathe. Tell them words envelop and pedal the speech. Thunderclap when I mention the beast. Notes and priests know if God throw it out, believe the devil retrieves. Seeing whips I used to envy with for sale signs. Even kings get their plans revised, plan demise. Watch for signs, cause it ain't a disguise. Yeah, you got 2 faces, only 1 set of eyes. And now you got 10 paces, make the most of your time. Notes in its prime, divine design, serious lines. Got the crew sitting laughing at ridiculous death threats. It's all on voicemail, I ain't seen death yet. Got hate upon hater lines up at the gate, boy. But all they do is watch, ain't a motherfucker making noise. My mama asked me if I keep the hammer ready. Pops tell me keep it steady, bang it in they body plenty, let's get it.
Life as a grown ass man, dog. Shouldn't be so rough. Life as a grown ass man, dog. Shouldn't be so rough. Life as a grown ass man, dog. Shouldn't be so rough. Life as a grown ass man, dog.
From the bottom to the top, y'all, the game for real. The pain is real, we walking through the flames for real. I'm from where niggas so dope that they mothers that pay bills. Trying to make a better life, many niggas lay still. It's death before dishonor, we ain't starving no more. So take a lesson from Gatama, leave your heart at the door. Or one thrust from a katana, put your heart on the floor. Every ghetto be a sauna, it's the heart of the war. Dead man, live spirits on embalming fluid. When cloud hopping on your journey, put your all into it. Cause the real ride for it, many even died for it. Or should I say reborn from their lives of torment. The air that we breathe scorches. Inhale and exhale the smell of dead corpses from lead portions. Wars of religion, Muslim, Jew, Christian. Killing over land for all of Abraham's children.
Life as a grown ass man, dog. Shouldn't be so rough.